So this is the IdeaPad Lenovo L340 gaming laptop. I'm going to show you how to boot into USB. So I got my bootable USB plugged in, then I turn it on. I keep pressing this key, F2, F2, okay. Keep pressing, okay, I'm in the BIOS interface now. So here you can just use the arrow key here. Use the arrow key to operate the screen. There's no mouse, unfortunately. You move to right, move, okay. So then you can see boot. Here you can choose it boot from which device, okay. So basically you use F6. Look at here, F6 and F5 to change the order. So highlight the one you want to boot, then use the F5. Yeah, change the order, F5. Then after you finish the change, just press F10 to hit OK. So then it will boot to the device you specified. Thanks for watching.